And guess what? We're pregnant! But we didn't expect na nabuntis na pala ako ng 2 months while I'm taking birth control pills. And I choose to share and filming this not just to keep it as my own, but I'm hoping na magbibigay din ng idea sa kapwa ko babae, lalo na sa mga first-time moms. Hey everyone! Welcome back sa ating channel. And today I want to share with you an exciting and personal journey that I've recently embarked on. So that's right, I'm going to take you through my first trimester of pregnancy. So actually, it is my first time sharing my pregnancy journey publicly. So ginawa ko ang video na to just like I cherish my pregnancy experiences. I love to make a vlog about them so I can come back and watch in the future and remember the journey I went through before these tiny humans came to be. So one thing I truly cherish in life is the process of carrying my babies. Lately, I was privileged to go through the whole process again. And I choose to share and filming this not just to keep it as my own, but I'm hoping na magbibigay din ng idea sa kapwa ko babae, lalo na sa mga first-time moms. And sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, it's already my 3rd pregnancy. Alright, one day, and guess what? We're pregnant! I discovered that I'm pregnant and yung kakaiba pa is late ko na nalaman na may laman na pala. I will tell you more. I've been using contraceptive pills since then kasi sabi ko wag muna sundan yung 2nd baby namin. But we didn't expect na nabuntis na pala ako ng 2 months while I'm taking birth control pills. And it was May 3, 2023. It's such an incredible feeling knowing that there's a little bun in the oven. So, syempre, bigla akong nagtaka and napaisip kung paano nga ba nangyari since nag-take naman ako ng pills. You know, tanggap ko naman na ganun ang nangyari but ang hindi ko lang lubos maisip na hindi ako naging careful when it comes sa mga kinakain at nagiging lifestyle ko. Actually guys, naka-experience ako ng mga sintomas like hilo, sakit ng ulo at marami pang iba. Until uminom ako ng medical. All I thought is normal lang since sobrang stress ko nung time na yon and kakamatay lang din ng mother ko na sobra ko talagang dinamdam and isa pa dun yung stress sa work. Until one day, I decided to take a pregnancy test and boom, I'm pregnant. So due to masalan ako magbuntis, I decided to stop sa work at gusto ko lang po is matulog ng matulog. And let me tell you, the first trimester has been quite the roller coaster ride. Throughout my first trimester, I've experienced a whole range of emotion, from the overwhelming joy of finding out I was pregnant to the nerves and anxieties that come with the unknown. So one moment, super excited namin, but we choose not to posting on our social media until it confirmed on my first ultrasound. Ang dami kong symptoms na nararamdaman na never ko talaga na-experience on my previous pregnancy. Alright, speaking of symptoms, let's talk about morning sickness, or should I say all-day sickness. This has been one of the most challenging aspects of the first trimester for me. Ja hit me like a ton of bricks and I didn't care whether it was morning, noon, or night. And you know what? Kahit madaling araw. But hey, I'm a trooper and I've learned some tips and tricks to manage it along the way. So ginger, salabas, salt and crackers, and lemon water have become my trusty companions. And let's not forget about the never-ending trips to the bathroom. Oh, the joys of having a tiny human tap dancing on your bladder. I've been taking some time to educate myself and connect with my little one every step of the way. There are so many incredible resources out there, from pregnancy apps with weekly updates to informative books that have become my nighttime reading material. After knowing that I'm pregnant, ay nagsimulan ako mag-visit regular check-ups and doctor visits have been a crucial part of my pregnancy journey. Getting to see the tiny heartbeat flickering on the ultrasound screen is a feeling I can't even put into words. So time and happenings na never couldn't talaga expect. But it makes everything feel so real and brings me an overwhelming sense of joy and gratitude. Staying active and taking care of my body has been another important aspect of my first trimester. I've been incorporating gentle exercises like walking and meditating to keep my body strong and healthy. All while preparing for the changes it's going through. As I reflect on my first trimester, I can help but feel an overwhelming sense of love and anticipation. Sharing this journey with all of you has made it even more special. And I'm so grateful for all the support and well wishes I've received from this incredible community. So, there you have it, my first trimester pregnancy story. I hope you enjoy coming along on this wild ride with me. Stay tuned for my second trimester update. And make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single moment of this amazing journey. Thank you all for joining me today, sending you all lots of love and positivity. Until next time, take care.
Night and day, it rained the whole day till on Sunday. I'm waiting for a shining day. Might be singing, might be murmur, might be love letter.